Hello everyone. Today I'll show you the configuration of Odoo Salesforce connector. So first of all, this is the Odoo dashboard where first of all we will check that whether the Salesforce module has been installed in Odoo or not. So we will go to apps and we will type here Salesforce. And we will see that this module has installed or not. So right now it's already installed at my Odoo instance. So now I'll just go to settings, and as we every time we need to check the user rights for the particular module, so I'll go to user. I'll check whether all the rights have been provided to this particular user or not. So I will check here that all the necessary rights have already been provided to this particular user. Now I'll check the configuration part. So I'll go to company. Under company you can see the tab named as Salesforce, where we maintain all the configuration which is related to Odoo Salesforce connector. Now this is the Salesforce instance where I need to go to setup for viewing the configuration part, which needs to be linked with Odoo database. So when I go here, I can see apps under platform tools. When I click on apps, here is the app manager. Under this, all the apps which are connected to this particular Salesforce instance are visible. So we can see the app Odoo Salesforce connector, which is already connected here. So when we click on this button, we have three options: view, edit and manage. So when I go to view this particular app, which is already connected, so I can see the API auth settings here, which we need to link from Odoo instance so that the data gets synced. So here you can see the consumer key and consumer secret. When you click here, click to reveal. So I'll just copy this consumer key, and under Odoo here I need to paste that particular key, and similarly consumer secret I will copy from here and I will paste it here. Then here is the authorization URL, so and authorization token URL. So this is the URL of Salesforce. So when you see here ap15.salesforce.com, so this is the URL we need to mention here. And redirect URL, it will be the URL of your Odoo instance, like https sandbox.practic.co.in, so which will be the same. Then instance URL of Salesforce will be here. Then when you click on save button, it will automatically generate the access token. So after generation of this access token, you need to click on authenticate button. So when you see that, it will prompt a message, you can close this window now. That means your authentication is successful and you can proceed further. So this way the configuration settings between Salesforce and Odoo are mentioned here. Also there is one more thing: when you go to app manager and under this app, when you click on edit, you have to check that all the controls, full access should be given for this particular app in Salesforce. Then only it will be fully accessible with all the user rights. So this was the setting that we need to do here, and also we have already also the callback URL which needs to be entered. This is the URL of Odoo instance. So these are the two settings that we need to do in Salesforce, and these are the 4 or 5 columns or rows that needs to be filled of Salesforce to get the data sync between the Salesforce and Odoo settings. So this way we configure Odoo Salesforce connector. Thank you.